Welcome to station number 6, your 2025 NMRA National Convention. Now that you have completed your registration, using your phone, tablet, or computer laptop, go to the convention website. Remember, that is nmra2025.com. Now, before you start scrolling through all the features of the website, let's take a minute to get organized. I'm sure that the first 2 or 3 big questions that you will have are, which clinics do I want to attend? Which model railroad layouts do I really want to see? And will what I want to attend conflict with each other or with any of the tours that I have signed up for? We know how overwhelming and confusing this can be for anyone, whether you are a newbie or a seasoned veteran of the conventions. So, we have your back, and we will begin by taking a close look at 2 very special tools on the Station Number 6 website that will assist you in answering those questions and helping to solve your planning problems. These tools are the Convention Agenda and My Itinerary. The Convention Agenda will show you everything that is available to you and allows you to select what you want to see and participate in. My Itinerary is everything you have selected, and it will show you any scheduling conflicts you may have, so you can create a seamless and error-free convention experience. Now, sit back, relax, and watch the rest of this video to learn how to best view and use the Convention Agenda and My Itinerary. Remember that the Convention Agenda will show you all the events that are being offered at the convention. You will want to browse through the agenda and select those events that you want to attend. To view the agenda, you must first go to the Station Number 6 website. Remember, that is nmra2025.com. Then select the Registration tab on the page header. Scroll down to the blue button that says View Mobile Site and click on that. You will now see a menu displayed. Select the agenda from this menu. Now the agenda is displayed for you. Let's take a look at the agenda format. On the left, you will see tabs for each of the days of the convention. Now, look over to the right. You will see the option to select filters. The default of these filters is all tracks or everything. So, you could select clinics to view only the clinics, or layout tours to see what layouts are available to you on a specific day. You can click on an event to find out more detailed information about it. For example, detailed information about a clinic is presented, and even a biography on the clinic presenter. It will also show what other clinics this presenter is doing. Close the information windows when you are done viewing them. Okay, if you have decided a particular event is something that you want to have added to your itinerary, select the event and then click Add to My Itinerary in green. Something very important to remember here is when you have added or removed an event from your itinerary, you need to click on the Return to Main Agenda green bar to reset your session. You may encounter a situation where you have selected an event and the message Filled shows up at the bottom of the display. We recommend you check back at a later time to see if any cancellations have come through. Let's review selecting events for your itinerary. First, choose the day you want and then the event. When displayed, click on Add to My Itinerary. Finally, don't forget to click on Return to Main Agenda. That's it. You've got it. Working with the convention agenda may seem a bit daunting at first, but in just a few short minutes, you will be able to browse the agenda and build your own personalized itinerary. Once you have created your itinerary, you will view and use it on your smartphone. It works on both iPhones and Android phones. There is no dedicated mobile app to download to your phone. You will only need to view the Station Number 6 website to access the agenda and your itinerary. To start, go to nmra2025.com on your phone browser. Then, select the menu in the upper right of the page. Select Registration from that menu, and then scroll down to the blue button, View Mobile Site. Now you will see the familiar blue menu. Select My Itinerary, and there it is, your itinerary that you had created. Now we know that things can change, so if you need to change something, select the menu on the black bar. Now you can browse the agenda and add or delete something to your itinerary just like you did on the computer. When you make a change, don't forget that you must click Return to the Main Agenda. So there you have it. Complete access to all the convention information and your personal itinerary on your own phone. Take some time now and try it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the convention.